Next is Calculation and Analysis tab. The purpose of Calculation and Analysis tab is to list the solution or mitigate the risk factors that had been identified in the Risk Identification tab. All of the risk factor will be auto-populate. Then, you need to define whether or not the analysis had been completed along with the outcome. The Analyses Completed column is for importing illustrative figure. By simply double-clicks on it, the file capturing the analysis such as MATLAB or ANSYS, a textual explanation or even a simple equation regarding the risk factor. In the SpacerCART project, the risk of deflection and failure has been analyzed using ANSYS. Therefore, I just need to import those files into the Ecosystem for Analysis Completed column. In case an analysis was completed, without a corresponding image being readily available for uploading, the user can add a textual explanation or a reference link as for the weight risk for this project. If issues were discovered during the analysis, the outcome column is the place for pertinent reporting.